Dear students, I welcome you in your today's computer class. In this video, we will recap all the topics which we have covered in week 12. Dear students, we were discussing Unit 3 of our computer book. That is the advanced features in Excel 2013. We discussed about 1. Sorting of data. 2. Filtering of data. Let's see what does the sorting of data means. Dear students, rearranging the order of appearance of data in worksheet cells is called sorting of data. It improves readability of data. There are 2 ways for sorting the data in Excel 2013. Number 1. Single column sorting. Number 2. Multiple column sorting. Let's see what is one column sorting and how can we do it. Select a cell in the column you want to sort by. In our example, we will select cell C2. Select the Data tab on the ribbon, then click the ascending command to sort A to Z, or the descending command to sort Z to A. In our example, we'll click the ascending command. The worksheet will be sorted by the selected column. In our example, the worksheet is now sorted by last name. Now let's see the multiple column sorting. Select the cell range you want to sort. In our example, we'll select cell range A13B17. Select the Data tab on the ribbon, then click the Sort command. The Sort dialog box will appear. Choose the column you want to sort by. In our example, we want to sort the data by the number of t-shirt orders, so we'll select Orders. Decide the sorting order, either ascending or descending. In our example, we'll use smallest to largest. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click OK. The cell range will be sorted by the selected column. In our example, the orders column will be sorted from lowest to highest. Notice that the other content in the worksheet was not affected by the sort. Now let's discuss how we can organize data into different levels. If you need more control over how your data is sorted, you can add multiple levels to any sort. This allows you to sort your data by more than one column. Select a cell in the column you want to sort by. In our example, we'll select cell A2. Click the Data tab, then select the Sort command. The Sort dialog box will appear. Select the first column you want to sort by. In this example, we will sort by Homeroom hashtag, column A. Click Add Level to add another column to sort by. Select the next column you want to sort by, then click OK. In our example, we'll sort by last name, column C. The worksheet will be sorted according to the selected order. In our example, the homeroom numbers are sorted numerically. Within each homeroom, students are sorted alphabetically by last name. Dear students, we also learned about filtering of data. The filter feature selectively blocks or hides the data you don't want to see. A filtered range displays only the rows/columns that meet the conditions or criteria you specify. There are 3 types of filters in Excel 2013. 1 by a list value. 2 by a format. 3 by criteria. There are 2 commands of filters in Excel 2013. 1 filter for simple criteria. 2 advanced filter for complex criteria. We will do only simple filters. Dear students, remember that in order for filtering to work correctly, your worksheet should include a header row, which is used to identify the name of each column. Our worksheet is organized into different columns identified by the header cells in row ID hashtag, type, equipment detail, and so on. Select the Data tab, then click the Filter command. A drop-down arrow will appear in the header cell for each column. Click the drop-down arrow for the column you want to filter. In our example, we will filter column B to view only certain types of equipment. The filter menu will appear. Uncheck the box next to Select All to quickly deselect all data. Check the boxes next to the data you want to filter, then click OK. In this example, we will check laptop and tablet to view only those types of equipment. The data will be filtered, temporarily hiding any content that doesn't match the criteria. In our example, only laptops and tablets are visible. Dear students, filtering options can also be accessed from the Sort and Filter command on the Home tab. Now see how we can remove the applied filter. Click the drop-down arrow for the filter you want to clear. In our example, we'll clear the filter in column D. The filter menu will appear. Choose Clear Filter from column name from the filter menu. In our example, we'll select Clear Filter from Checked Out. The filter will be cleared from the column. The previously hidden data will be displayed. To remove all filters from your worksheet, click the Filter command on the Data tab. Dear students, that's all about sorting and filtering of data in Excel 2013. I hope you have understood it very well. Now you are supposed to maintain your computer notebooks properly. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.